So on the Products and Services menu, I'm going to navigate to Compute Engine, and then VM Instances. Here I'm going to click Create. Now this shows us the Create Instance page, and if we see here under Machine Type, there is a drop-down menu, and I see all the predefined machine types. Notice that we have the micro and small CPU configuration. Now, in case the standard types don't work out for you, you can also customize your machine. So over here, by clicking on Customize, you can see that you can actually define the numbers of core or the amount of memory that you want to have. If I go down, I also have the option to change the boot disk. So if I click on the Change button here, but for now, under boot disk type, I also have a drop-down list here, and I see that I have both as options the standard persistent disk and the SSD persistent disk. So I could choose that, and I could define a size, let's say 100 GB. Now that's going to be my boot disk, but I can also add additional disks. By expanding this section over here and then clicking on disks, I have the option to add additional disks to my machine. So if I add item, click on select and then click create disk. Here I now have all the three different disk types that we just discussed. So the new one that we have here is the local SSD disk. And if I choose one of these and then define a size, let's say again 100 GB, you can see that I automatically get the estimated performance. And when I increase that size, you'll see that the performance also updates along with that.